Phones are becoming increasingly speedy these days. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will include a speedier CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage, among other things. The phone may look the same on the exterior, but it is receiving big changes on the inside. Here's another major improvement while we're on the subject. In addition, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be one of the first phones to enable Wi-Fi 7. Let us explain why this is such an important development and how it will immediately improve our user experience. Stay with us till the end and do not forget to subscribe. Right now, the Wi-Fi standard that we use is Wi-Fi 6E, which is adequate, but Wi-Fi 7 takes things to a whole new level. First, with the same number of antennas, it gives 2.4 times the speed of Wi-Fi 6. Additionally, it has the lowest latency in the entire planet, which is excellent for gaming. Additionally, Qualcomm claims that the power usage has decreased by as much as 50%, significantly extending the battery life. The Wi-Fi 7 routers will also offer a 6 GHz band, which should open the door to better bandwidth delivery for devices that support it with less interference. As you may have already noticed, your current router offers two frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The latter is not to be confused with 5G mobile networks. The router will also automatically choose the channel with the least amount of congestion and deliver the data down that route, so you won't need to choose between using a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz device. Simply put, the user experience will be much improved by Wi-Fi 7. Additionally, you must have a router that supports Wi-Fi 7 in order to benefit from these advancements. Now that we've got that out of the way, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is rumored to feature a flatter frame this time around, and today we have the first ever actual image of the S23 Ultra's frame to demonstrate this difference. As you can see, the distinction between the S22 Ultra and this is fairly large. Additionally, this suggests that the screen will be less curved, which, depending on who you ask, may be good or bad. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's default camera screenshot is the next item we have, and is essentially confirms that there will be two ways to snap high-resolution pictures, 50 and 200 megapixel modes. If you still want to shoot high-resolution images without putting a strain on your storage, 50 megapixel mode will be your best bet, since photos taken in 200 megapixel mode would be enormous in size. The leaked cropped camera sample of the S23 Ultra, meanwhile, amply demonstrates that the 200 megapixel option isn't merely a promotional ploy. There is a real change that you will observe. The S23 Ultra from Samsung will come with a new software function that will significantly increase battery life while slightly reducing performance. Design of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has the most in common with its predecessor, despite being the most powerful of the three phones. The S23 Ultra appears to be mostly unchanged in the early renderings, down to the distinctive camera arrangement on the rear. Of course, Samsung isn't just bumping the specs. If you look hard enough, you can see the differences. The phone is slightly less curved than the model from the previous year, and the lens's protrusion has been altered slightly. These are minor differences, and while they may appease any Note 9 or Note 10 holdouts, if you were expecting to upgrade from the S22 Ultra to a new model, the main differences will be invisible to the human eye. That's all for this video. Let us know what you think of it in the comments section below. If you enjoyed it, do like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.